Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maria Ruby's World. For today's video, samahan nyo ako guys, magluluto tayo ng ginataang kalabasa with smoked fish or tinapa na isda. Here are ingredients: kalabasa, sitaw, at merong malunggay leaves, kokomama or fresh gata, coconut milk, at ito yung ating smoked fish or tinapa, 6 pieces. So, hinimay ko guys yung ating smoked fish para tanggalin yung kanyang tinik. Meron tayong nor cubes to taste, shrimps, at meron tayong garlic and onions. So, let's cook guys. So, nag-start na tayong mag-cook. Mainit na ang oil. Meron na tayong garlic, onions. Since translucent na yung ating garlic and onions, nilagay na natin yung ating tinapa or smoked fish. Halo-halo lang natin. So, naglagay tayo dito ng black pepper powder. Nag-add na, so, nilagay na natin yung ating kalabasa. So, halo-haloin lang natin. So, dito guys, mag-add ako ng 2 cups of water. So, open na natin at ilagay na natin yung ating string beans or yung ating sitaw. So now, ready na natin yung ating kokomama or your ating fresh milk. Coconut milk, ilalagay na natin yung ating coconut milk or yung ating kokomama. So, taste na natin yung ating menu. So, open na natin yung ating niluluto at i-check natin ang taste kung okay na. Since na-taste na natin ang ating seasoning, okay naman. Kaya cook na tayo, done na tayo sa ating menu. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!